this is Dave. We're going to be doing a large hexagon with two pillow paints. The first one is a black and the second one is a white. Both are Gliden Essentials. We're going to be adding to this 5 or 6 colors, and let's see what ends up happening with this. Right now you notice I'm putting down my pillow paint and covering it as best I can so that we have plenty of room to blow out on. The thing with this is that now my hexagon has totally disappeared. You can see the black only in the middle. Okay, my colors tonight are Amethyst and Sapphire, both of them DecoArt Extreme Sheen. We have Pourage Posse, Lemon Lime. We have Amsterdam, Titanium White. And finally, a mix of my own of Magenta. Right now, I'm giving a mix, checking for consistencies. As we do this, now I take off the cookie cutter in the middle and pop a few bubbles. Now I'm going to lay down 5 different color points, and actually it's 6 different color points. I apologize. And it's going to layer down into several dots of color. And there are of the color. There's 3 sets. So I guess that makes it 6, doesn't it? Yeah, well, there you have it. Then what we're going to do is at the end I'm going to be mixing or putting on top of this my cell activator. And tonight's cell activator is a titanium white with Australian Floetrol. I'm going to use my straw to blow these out to get my cells started. Let's watch for a few minutes. Okay, I made a change up here. I actually had the first cell of activator, which didn't work. Then I changed over to the white. I'm putting down a dot of white on each one of them, blowing them out. Just getting some cells, as many as I can go to get, because this is going to stretch out quite a bit. And I use my straw here because blowing into space that's this small is a little tricky. So kind of hard to see what I'm doing. And I think I have another 2 left here. Once I have this done, I'm going to do some light modifying of the bloom, just so that I can have a little bit of flow, and then I'm going to spin it out. Spinning this out, the point was to get it done and just get the cells to open up a bit. And you're going to notice that it looks kind of white. The end of this, you're going to notice mostly the color you see is what is in the middle, which is the black. Now I'm going to spend some time doing some modifications just to decorate and elaborate to give this thing some interest. These tiles are a lot of fun. I get them at Home Depot and tile department, and I'm finding that they allow me to do a lot of modifications and have some fun with it. I encourage anybody who'd like to try it to go ahead and pick up a few of them. They're not expensive. Okay, I'm pretty close to being done doing my playing with this tile, and what I'm going to do is, once I've got it all complete, I will take you down for a close-up. Okay, let's take a close-up of this. As you can see, I've done some modification, added some swirls and some interest points. Try to get a little bit of flow going. As you can tell, the colors here, I have a lot of metallic type colors and a lot of pigments in this paint set. So I hope you really enjoyed this. I'd encourage you to hit the like button. If you haven't done so, please do just subscribe. And if you smash that bell, you'll get notifications of any further videos that I put out. My goal is to put out 3 of them a week, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye now.